This is called orchid. The scientific name for the orchid is the Orchidaceae. This flower is among one of the largest families of flowering plants. It is estimated that there are 17,000 to 35,000 different species of orchids. This type of flower can grow in all terrestrial ecosystem with the exception of North and South Pole. The majority of orchids are found in the tropical regions. The name of this orchid is moth orchid. Everyone, my name is Princess Maxene M. Delemos and I'm from 8th Narra and this is my performance task in science. In this video, we will talk about orchid. The orchid is taller and harder plant than most people think. It is many of the different species are highly adaptable to their surroundings. Orchids are different from other houseplants because they do not grow in soil. The majority of orchids in the wild are not rooted in the ground. Instead, they attach themselves by thick roots to the sides of trees and on branches. In order to absorb water, these plants cling to the bark of trees and get their nutrients from the air and rain that drips down the tree, like this. Orchids are divided into two main types based on their growth habits. The symphoidal orchid is characterized by individual shoots with limited growth. The stem of the symphoidal orchid develop into large storage organs. The second type of orchid is known as the monopodial orchid. This type of orchid has unlimited growth patterns and each shoot continuously produces leaves from the stem apex. And this is the symphoidal and monopodial. The flower of the orchid plant is colorful, fragrant, and can vary in size from microscopic plants. There is an outer wall of three seminal segments called sepals. Within the sepals, another wall of three segments called petals. The medium petal is noticeably different from the other two by size, color, and complexity and is referred to as the lemon. The center flower is known as the column, which is representing the fusing of elements of the statement. And still, there is an unbelievably large variation in all of the orchid species and their hybrids that make them unlike any other flower. The orchids belong to the kingdom Plantae, order Asparagales, and family Orchidaceae. There are 5 subfamilies, 22 tribes, 70 subtribes, and 850 genera. There are herbaceous perennial monocot plants and epiphytic, terrestrial, and lithophytic in nature. Yun lang guys, sana may natutunan kayo. Bye!